Ladies and gentlemen, we are having a double whammy in Cuba. Check this out. Whammo! We got something popping off over here too. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. There is stuff going on all over the place. Wait till you see what's going on over in Spain. I'm going to try and get this done. I'm going to zoom in and see if I can get a reading. I am able to get a reading. It looks like the max area for right here is 76 decibels because this was at 6:34 a.m. Havana, Cuba is also going off. Let's see if we can get a reading on that here as well. We're here into Havana, Cuba, and we're looking at 69 decibels. So there is a lot of activity going on, folks. I'm actually really excited right now. So I'm going to back this up and I'm going to hit play one more time so we can see a really good, nice little light show from Camagüey. Look at that. How you doing? Counterclockwise, just like with Havana, Cuba. So it is being brought in from the atmosphere. Let's go check out Spain in just a minute. Actually, let's check South America first. No, forget that. I want to check Spain first. This is insane. Watch this, you guys. Whoa! Did you see that? Like, that was crazy. It just kind of comes on really bright and then starts to go down. Let's look at that again. What in the world was that? Hopefully I can pause it in the right time. Whoop! Nope. It won't let me do it. Come on. Trying to get that thing to show a reading right at the right time. Now for those of you who may be new, here at windy.com, I actually also do some research on star forts. Now we've actually done one here in Spain, and we know that Valencia's got a lot of star fort activity, as we can clearly see everything kind of pointing down to Valencia. Looks like this big old arrowhead is pointing me over here to Madrid. Actually could even be pointing me right here in between. But as we can see, let me zoom in a little bit more, we actually do have a reading off of the edging of our little pie wedge. Look at that. Ain't that something? It's got a reading. Now the inside of it shows nothing, but there's something on the outside. 62. Ooh, that's actually, those are pretty high readings. 70. That's where the chart goes to. This is interesting. So, do you guys think it's right here? Do you think it's actually in Madrid, or do you think it's right here at the tip of this bugger? Yeah, I can't even try to pronounce that. Why don't we go take a little looksy-wooksy here, huh? Down the rabbit hole we go. And as I zoom in a little closer, look at this. 80 decibels. That is way off the chart there. 84, 86, 87. I've never had 90. I've never had readings this high, folks. 95, 96, 97, 99, 100, 101. Whoa. 10. Holy cow, folks. I've never seen a reading like this. Never. This is, whatever this is super loud. 100 and, well, I saw 107 decibels at one shot. 110. Okay, you guys saw the 110. 113. 14, 15, 16. What in the fragnog? I've never seen any kind of readings like this whatsoever. I've never seen this black line like this. I'm wondering what's sitting over top of this. And actually, if you look at it, it looks like it's kind of blurred. You know, like light bending technology or something right over top of this. Because, I mean, look at this. This is weird. This is like a line that, like, this is following like a magnetic wave. I mean, this is every color of the rainbow. Think about this. Every color of the rainbow. Bending light as we see it, our eyes, our colors, we know the colors of the rainbow, and as this is waving here too. What is going on? Excuse me. This is nutty. Let's see where the center of this thing might be at. Actually, there might be something going on near the center of it. I'm still going to keep that up for the... I don't know. They could be hiding something with them being wedged over here and kind of blocking out, so that way from above we can't see. But oh man, what could it possibly be? Everything in my gut tells me just that to stick my little fun buns over here in this region. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to start over here in this region. What's at the very tip of this bugger? Come here, you. Alright, let's go try and find something. Quick question. Do you think that X marks the spot for fall tomorrow? Or Could it possibly be that when you look here, you see like a diamond shape, like an arrowhead, like this thing is shaped? You know, and also see the compass and square here? There's something going on in this area. That terminology of symbolism shall be their downfall. See this triangle? Coming here like this? Absolute triangle. So the point is this way. But this one, it's this way. So, as above, so below. They literally got it right here. Boop! Right there. How you doing there, little fella? And it's on this side. It's right there on the highway. They're killing me. So, yeah, I found all kinds of stuff over here. You guys are already seeing it, ain't you? Look at that. There. I don't even have to zoom in and I already see the stuff going on here. Let's get zoomed in though. That's where the fun's at. And we have a 7-pointed star right here as we zoom in there. Of course, we've also got our star here and our roundabout directing energy like a capacitor or a magnetron right here. Look at this. This is all computer looking stuff. There's another looking star right there instead of a bigger star. Look at this. Looks like an X, doesn't it? Got another star here. Man, we got star force symbolism all over the place. Woo! Get her done. And we've got our symbolism of the pyramid coming up to the point, and this actually looks like an eye right here above the pyramid, doesn't it? Like the back of the US dollar bill. Like, forget this part here. Just go from here straight across. Yes, we do. That's always fun. Oh, here's a star here with our little dish in the middle. Got another one here. And they are all over the place. And here we go in the crosswalks. Look at this. We've got our walks, our little pathway to some little nature preserve. I don't know what this is. It's pretty small. On the back of a business, which is really kind of weird. But you can see the 8-pointed octagon here for some form of a top. We've got our star here, and oh, come on, slow running thing. And here we're actually not at Parla, by the way. We're actually just to the right of it. But as we can see here, we can see the directional energy here. But guess what else I literally just happened to find again? Superman symbol again? Oh, they're killing me, folks. They're telling us, aren't they? You're done. Found a nice 5-pointed star here on the northern end of Voldemort. Yeah, that's the other thing. I wanted to show you guys the name of this town or city. Of course, we see all these little roundabouts kind of directing energy. Oh, look, a 4-pointed star here. Turn aside of it, it looks like an X. Oh, here's a 3-pointed star here. Why, there's stars all over. So it looks like a circuit board of sorts, doesn't it? But anyways, oh look, 4, 3. Here's another one here. Crossing looks like a Catholic cross with a circle in the middle. What is that, St. Peter? Don't ask. Honestly, I don't know. I just know it's one of them. I'm not Catholic at all. Oh, look, this looks like an 8-pointed one. Right. Oh, look at all these little stars over here. They're just kind of everywhere. Little circles. Stuff representing a star like that, or a snowflake. Same kind of thing. Doesn't this look like Voldemort? Voldemort, but there's just no T, there's an O. Just an observation. Now this is the other town that we were in, that I was actually in when I first got here. Let's take a look at Parla. Absolutely Parla, and look at here, we've got like a little 5-pointed star here, and actually this kind of looks like a almost like a flower, like the petals of a flower, doesn't it? And then up here, of course, how can you get any more plain and obvious than that? That absolutely is a star. Intentional, designed star. Yeah, how are you doing? 6-pointed, 12? Yeah. Oh, look, an octagon, so that looks like a star from above? Lots of them.